not asking for her biodata. Why did you do this, Shaurya? What were you thinking when you did this?
That was a perfect bullseye.
Thank you, Dad.
Did you see how excited the press people were to talk to you? Yes, Sakshi. You should have seen the faces of the press people. I just hope hearing this news, people don't award him Nobel Prize. Yes? Get ready for that. Why did you leave that place so early?
That is because someone has to clean the muddily. Before Shaurya falls in the same mud pool which he has created and falls over his face.
Now what did I do?
Do you know the name of that old man whom you have done this favor for?
Well, people called him uncle. How does that matter?
Have you heard about the name Bakshi?
What's the big deal with the name? The important part is your son has taken care of an old, deserted blind man. It is a good publicity for him and for us too. Matter ends here.
Madhusudan Bakshi. Divya? Run away!
What did he say? Madhusudan Bakshi?
That's right. Your lonely, sad old man is no one else other than Madhusudan Bakshi, Divya's father. I hope you remember Divya, Raj.
Divya Bakshi?
Divya Bakshi. Well, the prime witness to Payal rape case. And Payal's friend. This is the same daughter and father whom we could not buy with money. Divya, I've heard that you would be speaking against Shaurya in the court. Is that true?
Yes. I will say the same thing that is true. Shaurya, Karan, Arun and Rishikesh are the ones who had raped Payal. And I was present over there. Shaurya will get the punishment, Mrs. Goenka.
Divya Bakshi?
Divya Bakshi. Shaurya Goenka rape case's prime witness. And Payal's friend. They are the same father and daughter whom we could not buy. The man whom you have given eyesight is the same Madhusudan Bakshi. The same man who one day looked into my eyes and said he won't take bribes. He will surely bring Divya to the court to speak against you. Now I hope you must have remembered, Raj.
Relax. Don't start getting worried now. I know how to take care of such truth-protecting people. I will speak to Mathur. He'll handle that fool. Everything will be fine. Mathur.
And Mathur also did a good job. On the hearing date, Divya did not appear. And because of that, Shaurya got saved. But it was we who were stupid who trusted Mathur.
But Mathur told us that he had made sure that Divya will vanish.
Yes, exactly. We believed whatever Mathur told us. But now we see the truth. All these years, that old man was sitting in an old age home in the city, hoping that his daughter will come back one day. he would have died just sitting there. But my son goes hunting for him and provides him medical help. Didn't he get anyone else for his generosity other than Bakchi? Was this Durga's idea?
No, Mom. Durga just supports these NGOs and this old age home has been...
I'm not asking for her biodata. Why did you do this, Shaurya? What were you thinking when you did this? Didn't Durga have the money that you had given away 12 lakhs to him? Doesn't she know any good doctors over here? Dr. Thakur is a real doctor. I hope you know that. Or are you just realizing it right now? What is this, Shaurya?
Enough, Sakshi. Whatever has happened, but don't you think you're overreacting? What is the connection between Durga and Bakshi? Nothing. It's just a coincidence, or just call it this boy's bad luck. Dayal Thakur. Hello? Yes, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sure. We'll meet soon. Bye. He had personally called to congratulate you. Well, there's something good with this charity. He's in a hurry to prepare the legal papers of the cancer research project. Let me speak to the lawyer and I'll get going on this. This is good news. This is good.
No, Raj. I don't think so. The more I think about this project, I always feel like leaving this project. Don't ask me why. But all my instincts are saying to me, this won't be good for us.
Sakshi, I respect your instinct. Many times you've been right. But don't you think you're overreacting a bit more this time? Sakshi and Paras are not made in instinct. This project is Goenka Group of Companies is the new beginning of a bright future. Now, because of your one instinct, I can't leave such a big project, okay?
Mr. Goenka?
If you have brought us bad news, then please leave.
Absolutely no, Mrs. Goenka. In fact, there's a good news. Till now, 3 news channels have called up for a personal interview with Shaurya. And they also want to cover Goenka Group.
Good. Good job.
You must be joking, Raj. After all of this, you still want to go ahead? Think for yourself. If you try making him a hero with a news like this, that even if there is a small twist, the news could turn bad for us. Even if one journalist comes to know about the missing part of this story, then the whole media will start digging graves.
Akash, make sure this news is destroyed here. They should never know.
Yes, sir.
Where are you going?
What will I do waiting? You have anyway taken control over the situation.
Yes. I have taken control over the situation. Bakshi will never open his mouth in front of anyone. But you will never meet Bakshi. And Shaurya. You will not meet Durga also.
One good step I'd taken, and that too also mom destroyed it away. God knows why mom always overreacts.